2 minus 6 times 2 minus 6. Now, take note, people solve this question wrongly. Let me show you how. This, they do this first, which is multiplication, bracket first. This will give you minus 4. And you come here to do this time, this minus this to give you minus 4. With times, you give us, minus times minus will give us plus. 4 times 4 will give us 16. But this is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because this kind of math problem always have a rule. Math has rules in solving them. So, and in this kind of a math problem, this is called order of operation. And the rules to solve this question is BODMAS. Let me erase this properly. The rules for solving this question is BODMAS. Others use PEMDAS, is the same thing. So we have B, which is bracket, this parenthesis. Of is multiplication, also means multiplication. Then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, when you are solving this question, we are going to follow the rules from left to right. So now, if we follow the rules from left to right, we are going to get here, because we are solving from bracket first, which is minus 4, then times, let's put this in bracket because of this minus sign, then 6. Now we have 2 minus 6 times minus 4. Now we are doing multiplication first because there's no division in the question, right? So this minus this times this will give us 24. Minus times minus will be plus. 6 times 4 is 24. Then plus this 2, which is equals to 26. And this is the final answer. So our answer to the question is 26.